Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here to Group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. Guys, money started to come back into the market, so I'm feeling, kind of happy, feeling pretty good. Man, we already had in our report that the market was going to be down last few days, so we prepared. The saying, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So shout out to everybody who do have the report. If you do not have the report, if you want to get inside DCG with us, the guys, make sure you guys go click the link below in the description box. Also, guys, a lot of people keep messaging me and asking me about, hey, man, I want to that Bitcoin 2023. I want to get those tickets. I want to get the cheap price. Right here in the description box below, guys. You guys, it takes you right to the link where you can actually buy those tickets. I think you got like to Friday to get it at like $250. After that, we see it goes up to what, about $1,100, right before the event. So you want to get there early, guys. Get those tickets early so you don't have to worry about it, because you want to be at these events, guys. I'm telling you right now, it's a lot of information is passed by. It's a ton of people. Last night, I was able to put in all my my contacts, all the people that I spoke with at the event. And I'm, I'm going to follow up with and talk to and start building relationships with multi-million-dollar businesses, millionaires as well that I spoke with that have their direct contacts. So we can actually get some stuff going on. So guys, make sure you go out to these different events. And I'm looking to check out NFT NYC in June. So I will see a lot of you guys there as well. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Below, you guys see the socials. Make sure you guys go check out our socials. We all around. We always tweet some things out, different coins to be inside of that I'm looking at during that time, and different activities and what I'm doing. Follow me around. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you guys follow us, because I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out on good information. If you're not inside DCG, you want to join a trading group where you actually look how we get into profits. We're in the crypto, we're in the stocks and options, we're in the forex, we're in the NFTs, obviously. We're in the futures, everything. So make sure you guys check us out, and you guys get live classes on a daily basis. Live classes where you can ask questions during those live classes. A ton of people want to get inside the space, but they don't understand that when you get inside this space, you don't know the right questions to ask, or you don't understand that you're doing the wrong strategy. You know what I mean? You're losing money, you're losing time, because in this market runs in cycles. So you spend a whole lot of time trying to learn. People are, oh yeah, just do the learning, and it's free. Yeah, but by the time you get it, then the bull market is over. You know what I mean? Then you quit. So that's why you want to be around the right people during the right times, because you want to be able to avoid, being inside, the wrong stuff, or waiting too long and then the market is done. So, but today, guys, so I'm, just in the link below, this description below, the link is right there, guys. If you want to ask questions about DCG, or we get go from there. But today, guys, we're gonna talk about Ethereum merge. Push to Q3 as final chapter of proof of work looms. So the ETH 2.0 upgrade that will see the network switch to proof of stake will come in a few months after June. We was expecting it to be inside June, so according to the devs. So they keep pushing it back. Ethereum is my second favorite coin. I always tell people, you get into crypto, you want to get into Bitcoin and then Ethereum. So if you got people like, hey man, I got $1,000, what should I buy? $500 for Bitcoin, $500 for Ethereum. As you're gonna hear from me, man. I tell everybody, just start off. You know what I mean? It's that simple. A lot of people, let's buy this and that. Dog, start off Bitcoin, Ethereum. Can't go wrong with that. It's real safe, and plus, good returns on that as well. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin at. Bitcoin, we seen had a big dip the last few days, which was expected. It was expected for us. Dip down. I talked about on Monday. I said we could see it come down to 39,000. It dropped all the way down to 39,149. So I was $149 off. All right, What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm sorry, I was wrong. All right. But we did see a push down to 39,150, and we're starting to see a push up in the last couple of days. So could these the hurt be over? We don't know, but we could see a nice little push up in the end of April. So April just a month is bullish for crypto. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a nice little push up inside April. And we gotta get above 42 again. Once we get above 42,000, then we should be okay. But we gotta get above 42,000 and close above 42,000 for the day. All right. So right now we're still in this downward trend, but we're starting to push up a little bit. Nice good volume inside the market. So I'm liking this. I'm liking that as well. So with Bitcoin, we gotta get above 42,000. Get above 42,000. Guys know I love that 44.1. I like to see at 44.1, get above the 44.1, then I think we should be pretty good. And this is what we're crossing right here. So yeah, we definitely got to get above 44.1. You guys know I'm preaching that for months. We down 4.56% for the week, but we're up 3.86% for the month. So $40,000 Bitcoin is pretty good, guys. We did push up to 41,385 earlier today. So, that's pretty good. We wicked up there, but we're at 41,000 right now. So let's see what we can do, how we can get above that. We're not going to see a big, strong whoop, but, just how we came down the steps, we can go back up the steps, right? Bitcoin comes down so we can buy more, baby. And then what we do, we turn around, then when it goes back up, we all happy. So it got to come down, got to be healthy. People have got to take profits, in their journey in trading. Trading happens, goes up and goes down. It's that simple. That's how the markets work. And what you want to do is you want to be able to capitalize on those, on a volatility. All right. Now, since we talk about Ethereum, let's talk about Ethereum. Let's talk about ETH. ETH is up 1.69% for the day, and it's down 2.83% for the week, up 18.9% for the month. So you gotta understand, a lot of people that's crying, oh, it's down, whoa, nah. But you're up 18% for the month. What is it? A lot of people is greedy. You know what I'm saying? So that's why he's like, whatever. So ETH is doing pretty good. We at $3,078 with the news. It can be pushed up. But people are seeing that the ETH 2.0 is near as well. So that right there helps out a lot. People say, okay, cool. But with ETH, we got to get above, I want to see if we get above this 32.25. I want to get above this and close above 32.25. Guys, we're at a real, pivotal point right now where we're at with Ethereum, but I want to get above this 32.25 and close above it. I think we do that, then we can start pushing right back up to about 33 to 34, 3,400 with Ethereum. But we got to close above this 32.25. Could we do it today? But like I said, we're getting some good volume inside here. So, we as we come down in steps, we go back up in steps, but it gives us an opportunity, all of us opportunity to buy more. Because guess what? A lot of people don't get paid to Friday, right? So they want this ETH to stay around like 31, 3,000, get under 3,000, buy some more. You take what? If 3,000, you buy $300 worth of Ethereum. You got 10%, bought more 10% of Ethereum. And guess what? Ethereum goes to 3,500. Now, you know what I mean? Your 300 turn to the 350. So, it's just how it works. You know what I mean? So what you want to do is you want to be able to, you like the market to come down so you buy back in so it can go back. When it go back up, you're fine. Because if it keep going up and up and up and you don't get paid to Friday, that's what happens. Then you're paying more money for the same exact coin. So you want the market to be healthy. You want people to take profits. All right. So I'm loving this. I'm loving it for what it's doing for right now. Definitely, I'm buying more Ethereum. So as Ethereum went underneath for 3,000, I got some more. It's a coin I love to accumulate as well as Bitcoin. I think it's a great coin to accumulate. Litecoin. People don't talk about Litecoin a lot, but I do. I like Litecoin. I like using it. I like moving it around. That's what I like to do. I don't give a damn what nobody say. I like it. So, with Litecoin get above this right here. Get above this. Litecoin is up 4%, almost 5% for the day. You know what I mean? So Litecoin get above this 117. I think we should be fine. See, push right, keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. But Litecoin, I see Litecoin running up. When Bitcoin does good, Litecoin does great. It's that simple, and vice versa. So Bitcoin's up 2.39% for the day. Litecoin's up 4.48% for the day. All right. But yeah, guys, let's jump right into it, man. So it says ETH 2.0 got pushed back to the Ethereum merge that forms a key part of the so-called Ethereum 2.0 upgrade has been delayed until the latter half of 2022. So it won't be June, but likely in a few months after. Tim Bieco, an Ethereum Foundation developer, said yesterday on Twitter. No firm date yet, but we're definitely in the final chapter of proof of work on Ethereum, in which a lot of people like, if they don't have a set date, but just to know that the final stages. Remember, we've been waiting on ETH 2.0 for 4 years now. So, we've been hearing about it, talking about it. We've been hearing about it for a long time, but it's not coming out. So to know that they're in the final stages of it, I think it's gonna be a great thing, especially with this 2.0 coming out. And a proof of stake. A lot of people liking that as well. The miners, I feel sorry for you guys that's mining ETH, but there's other coins out there for you to mine. So it says earlier in the Twitter thread, Bieco has urged a user not to invest in any more mining equipment. It's funny. I just said that. So yeah, that's simple, man. It's about to get, the miners, you can find something else. So it says colloquially referred to as Ethereum 2.0, even if it's not what the Ethereum Foundation prefers, Ethereum's switch from proof of work to proof of stake consensus model has been touted as a fundamental change that will lay rest to the concerns about how much energy is consumed by network validators. Now, it says also means that Ethereum mining will soon become obsolete. There's a lot more than investments in ETH mining rigs riding on the upgrade. Now, it says the second largest cryptocurrency has a market cap of $364 billion. It's also the backbone for many other blockchain developments. Decentralized finance, the metaverse, more than 500,000 ERC20 tokens, the vast majority of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and most recently play-to-earn gaming, which we call GameFi. Searches for Ethereum merge has already surpassed the all-time high they were just 2 weeks ago. A timely development since until yesterday, the prevailing prediction was that the Ethereum merge would happen before the end of June this year. Now it says, but the march towards the ETH upgrade has at times felt like one step forward and two or more back. As far as back as 2020, an Ethereum Foundation researcher doubted the merge would happen in 2020 and got pushback from Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin himself. More recently, developers have begun testing the impact of the ETH merge on a shadow fork on the mainnet of the mainnet. So the new testing environment has revealed bugs varying from sync code to request timeout. Ethereum developer engineer Parathi Jayanathi said over the weekend. That's the thing, guys, because a lot of people, and you don't want to rush it either. I hear a lot of people, oh man, it's not done yet, blah, 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 blah. You don't want to rush it. That's the problem with Ethereum right now. The foundation of Ethereum is a little shaky. You know what I mean? And that's why you have these gas prices, how it is when you have certain NFTs come out, or you have different things, different things come out, and DeFi and everything like that. You're going to have, you pay all this money in gas, or the network is really, really, really slow because it's not built for this amount of users. So you don't want to rush this. 2.0 is supposed to solve all the problems that we're having right now. So we want to make sure that ETH 2.0 is good, the foundation is strong, so it can actually support all these NFTs. How many of you guys went to buy an NFT, went to mint the NFT, and then it costs you $1,200 in gas fees to mint the NFT? You see what I'm saying? So you don't want that happening inside ETH 2.0. You want that problem to be fixed. So I'd rather them have that, because guess what? You might not have that. You don't have the money to pay for that. You don't have the ETH to pay that gas fee. You go to mint it. The thing you wanted to mint was 0.3 ETH. and now selling on OpenSea for 1 ETH, 2 ETH. And you mad because you like, man, I was there when it was time to mint, but I didn't have the money for the gas, or it was so congested. I didn't have the money for the gas. I didn't have the ETH for the gas in my wallet to pay it. And now, I missed out on thousands of dollars, you know what I mean? Or on a lot of ETH, you know what I mean? So that's the problem. You don't want that problem, to keep occurring, and is what we've been having. And I remember when ETH was so cheap, we would send ETH instead of sending Bitcoin. I know it sounds crazy now, but we would send ETH around different places, because Bitcoin was so high to send. You know what I mean? So ETH was like pennies to send. So, and then now it's like you can't think about that right now. You're like, yeah, right. You know what I mean? It don't sound believable, but it was true. But with the ETH 2.0, these are type of things. So I'm getting a lot of alerts right now. That's what happened. When you're on DCG, you get a lot of alerts. You get a lot of alerts. A lot of people was talking, and we making money. We're making money. A lot of things going on here. But yeah. So when you're looking at with ETH 2.0, when the market is going to go crazy once the date is set for ETH 2.0, and they said, okay, guys, it's going to be ready to go September the 4th. And I thought I just muted that. It's gonna be ready to go September the 4th. There we go. All right, it's gonna be ready to go September the 4th. Or August the 5th, or August the 13th. You know what I mean? And the market will go crazy. And then leading up to that date, the market is gonna go bananas. All right, so that's something you want to look out for, guys. I'm telling you right now. ETH.2, ETH2 come out. Now, people that don't know, ETH 2.0 moves up from a proof of work to proof of stake, whereas you're able to actually stake the coin and earn more Ethereum by actually holding on to it. But right now, you can stake the coin right now, but you got to send it over. You got to send your ETH, your regular ETH right now, over to the ETH 2.0 pools, and then you're able to actually earn, but you can't get it back. Like, you can't sell it. You gotta wait till ETH 2.0 is done, then you can sell it. Because once that happens, once ETH 2.0 roll out, you're able to get your Ethereum back. It's a one-way street right now. It's a one-way ticket now. It don't come back until ETH 2.0 is finalized. So you have people that actually started staking their stuff back in December of 2020. For ETH 2.0, and their ETH haven't came back. They still can't touch their ETH yet, but they earn a lot. They're gonna have when ETH roll out, ETH 2.0 roll out, they're gonna have a lot more ETH now, so it's gonna be pretty good for them. But in the meantime, and that's what I haven't done that. I want my ETH in my wallet. You know what I mean? To where I can have it and hold it and control it. So that's something that you guys want to look at. It's out there. I would say hold off. If you haven't done it so far, I would say hold off. Wait till ETH 2.0 roll out, and then you can start staking it. You don't have to worry about that. It's a two-way street. Then once ETH 2.0 roll out, you can stake it and then pull it out whenever you want. I'm pretty sure a lot of these different platforms out there is going to be able to you'll be able to actually stake it on there. As well, so you don't have to worry about that. But man, it's a lot of wallets, man. I learned, man, over there at Binance, at Bitcoin 2022, and man, it's a ton of wallets that's out there, man. I think it's really good. I really like the Arculus wallet. They have another wallet, CQX. I really like the CQX. What they're doing over there. The Nifty wallet they have, specifically the first cold storage wallet for NFTs. I mean, this is dope, man. It's a lot of stuff coming out in crypto that people don't understand. And man, I'm telling you right now, it's a lot that's coming out in crypto, man. And people that's in crypto, you're in the right. I'm gonna let you know you're in the right space. And your grandkids they're gonna love you. They're gonna be like, oh my God, my granddaddy or my grandmammy, they was great. But let's see. Q&A. Let's see what you got. Q&A. We'll answer some questions. You know what I mean? A few minutes, we'll answer some questions. Real quick. But yeah, with ETH 2.0, I mean, for anybody that always asks me, about big crypto, I always say Bitcoin, Ethereum. I think it's a disservice. Realistically, it's a disservice, I think, and I think people should stop doing it. When somebody comes to crypto, people give them some damn altcoin that's, what I mean, that don't even have a big market cap, or it's not even in the top 10. They give them, oh yeah, you should buy Shiba, or you should buy Dogecoin. That's their first thing. And because I always hear, I'm the guy that always hear, yeah, I put my money in the crypto, and then I lost my money. What coin you bought? Oh, I bought XRP. Oh, I bought I bought Dogecoin. Oh, I bought Shiba. Oh, I bought some shit coin that nobody never heard of. You know what I mean? So it's like, yo, I mean, come on. You know what I'm saying? Because, you should always start with the big dog. First, soon you come to crypto, you start with Bitcoin, then Ethereum. That's simple. Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's simple. Dollar cost average. Get your money up. And then once you make money, after that, the house money that you got, you take some of those profits and you can say, okay, cool. Now I'll start buying these shit coins. I don't feel too bad. If I made, let's just, for example, speaking regular, if I made $500, right? I bought Bitcoin and Ethereum. I made $500, right? And then, all right, cool. I'm $500 in profit. If I take $100 out of that $100 out of $500 I made in profit, I took $100 out. Then I go buy Solana, and Solana dropped 50%. I'm not, I'm like, damn, but I'm not too mad. I can't tell nobody I lost some money, because I'm still up $450. You see what I'm saying? So that's why people got to understand, like, yo, you got to get into the right projects when you come in. And you got to start off on a strong foundation. You got to start off on Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's simple. All these other coins, yeah, it's cool and all. Yeah, a lot of people, oh, yeah, I bought this coin. It went up, this and that. I mean, like today, I had a one-on-one with somebody under me. And, we was in Room. I told him about Room. You know what I mean? I'm like, yo, Room running. And look what Room did. It's a few hours ago. And Room ran. Room was running. You see what I'm saying? So it's that simple. But I'm not gonna tell nobody just jumping into crypto, yo, you should go buy Room. You should go buy Room right now. It's not gonna happen. I'm not telling nobody to do that. I'm like, yo, you just come into crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's simple. Oh, I heard about Room. I don't care. You hear about Room, June, or Bethune. Don't get into it. Buy Bitcoin and buy Ethereum. And then once you making some money, then you can start messing with alts. You know what I mean? Because now you up. You're playing with house money now. All right, so let's go. Let's see. Ronisha. What's up, Ronisha? Making all that money over there, Ronisha. Over there. On that SPY. And the QQQs and all that. What's up, Mo? Yeah, a lot of people agree. That's exactly, it's greed. Most people I talk to, that was in crypto, they made money and they were like, oh yeah, I was up $1,000 and then I'm down. I'm like, yeah, how you get to a point where you're up $1,000 and you don't take some profits? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, a lot of people are greedy. What's up, Nelson? What's up? Yeah, gas prices are ridiculous. Yup. Yeah. Cause it's like they changed the game, like with Oculus. And I know about Oculus for a while, but I haven't really like deep dive. And they gave it to me. They gave me Oculus. They gave it a while, so it's free. But with the Oculus, it's like it's 3 layers, so you're able to it's different layers. So you have to have like a on your phone, it's like face recognition, or like what's called, it's three authentications, or like your fingerprint, then you put in your passcode, and then it's like a metal card that you put on the back of your phone, and that activates it. Like, you know what I mean? For you to actually, do transactions on it. So it's like can't nobody just take your stuff and then move stuff around without having that card. Like it's a metal card, whatever. So I mean, it's dope. It's dope, and you have the bigger faces because like with the Ledger, it's small. I mean, I love Ledger, so I'm not gonna. I love Ledger. It's that simple. It's small, and with the Ledger, it's small. A lot of people can't really like. They don't really like it. So the other wallets, they're having bigger faces. So they're having just wallets where it's just by itself and just a bigger display. So you're able to navigate around. So it's a lot of things that get more. It's just like how we start off with phones. We have buttons and stuff like that, and all of a sudden now we got we can slide with our fingers. You know what I mean? There's different functionalities that's out there. Also more coins, so and more tokens and DeFi and everything like that. So with more wallets, a ton of people are making wallets. Like a lot of people like, I got a new wallet, I'm making new wallets. So plus you always want to have a set number of wallets. So you move things around. You don't want to get too comfortable because, people start trying to figure things out. People are going to start, if you didn't write your seed phrases down or you left it somewhere or, you just want to be anonymous, maybe you just, create a wallet. You create a wallet and then you send some stuff to somebody and you don't want everybody to know how much crypto you got. Then you can go from there. But it's always good to have different wallets, and it's a new technology. You want to have that new technology. Now, one thing I don't like about the Arculus thing, and I'll probably do a review on that, is the whole. Well, I guess you can do it. Yeah, as long as you got the keys, you're fine. I was about to say because can't nobody get in unless it's you. Like what I mean? Can't nobody get in. So something happen. God forbid something happened to you. Your spouse, whatever, don't have your fingerprint, your face recognition. To get you in that phone. It's a cold storage wallet. So, yeah, Batum, that's what you buying. Good luck, man. You buy that coin. Let me know how it work out for you. But if you guys don't have any questions, then what we're gonna do? We're gonna close out and get everything going. Cause we got a lot of stuff going on. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you share this content. Subscribe to the channel. But man, we're gonna make some good money in these coming weeks. With crypto. Don't be nervous, guys. Because these are cycles. People gonna take profits. I mean, I know you have to take profits because at the end of the day, you got a family to feed. So people gonna take profits. People gonna do their thing. But then what they're gonna do, they'll come back into the market. And when they come back into the market, you want to make sure that you're in there. But Bitcoin is about to run. It looks like Bitcoin about to run. Just look at some things. It looks like Bitcoin about to run, especially on the day trade. Asian market wakes up in a few hours anyway, and then they're gonna take over. They're gonna take over on like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tonight. But so it looks like that's what I would do, and I'll be positioned for that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. I'm gonna probably do a couple videos, but I'm not gonna be here next week. I'm gonna be out of the country. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a couple of videos for you guys, and so you guys be able to catch, see what I'm looking at, and get some good content for you guys. Cause I want you guys to get some good stuff while I'm out. But it's gonna be an easy week next week. I'm looking at for crypto. So, but guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to be inside DCG, you guys want to learn how to trade, want to learn to get into the right projects. We have a ton of courses as well, but we have live classes. We have a Discord where we're talking and chopping it up all day, every day. Talking about crypto, NFTs, and everything like that. My man Mo definitely knows things about the NFTs. Come join us right in the description below. The link is right there. Come join us, and then we go from there. But I'm gonna see you guys next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. It's your guy Crypto Chuck here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.